Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosanna and today I'm a couple of feet away from my usual recording spot. What do you think? Do you like this better? Well, let me know down in the comment area. I would love to know. Okay, today I'll be showing you how to make infused garlic oil. It's a simple recipe and it's only got 2 ingredients. So let's get to it. Okay, so at this point I have set my stove at a low heat. On my electric stove, it is a 2 to 3 temperature. Add your garlic to a saucepan and then the oil. By the way, I am using olive oil. This recipe will be down in the description area for your convenience. I just happen to have a jumbo garlic laying around, so I'm going to add it. Why not? Have you ever seen these? They're huge, I know. Let me know down in the comment area if you have ever cooked with them and what your experience was like. Alright, just let it cook on low heat until the garlic softens and gets a golden brown color. If at any point you feel the heat is too high, you can lower it. And this to me looks a little bit too hot. I don't want the garlic to burn, but have enough time to infuse and get a nice golden color, so I will bring the temperature to a 2. As you can see, the bubbles slow down in speed. It is browning the garlic at a slow pace, just what we want. My garlic oil took about 25 to 30 minutes to be ready. It may vary from stove to stove. Just keep an eye on it until your garlic looks golden brown and soft. Then store the oil on the container of your choice and enjoy on your favorite dishes. I use this on so many recipes, especially when I'm making rice, meats, and refried beans. Instead of adding minced garlic, you can use this delicious infused garlic oil to flavor anything you may be cooking. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to give us a like and let me know down in the comment area how you would use this on your recipes. Have a great rest of your day.